everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 13th to the 17th of April 2026 on Monday. Moagi ups the pressure on Lulama and she buckles. Melokuhle put Nonhle in her place about her offensive views. Sam promises to left Nomasebe find her roots, but Mzimkhulu doesn't appreciate the interference on Tuesday. Moagi comes to collect from Lulu despite her reservations. Nonhle pulls out all the stops with Minky's help to get into Minky's good books. Mzimkhulu doesn't see the point in Nomasebe confusing or anything or anyone that other than her art on Wednesday. Nokwazi confront Chiwogon about his double standards. Nonhle runs with a hit piece on Minky, but it doesn't go down like she anticipated. Mzimkhulu forces Sebe to push Sam away. Ayanda's behavior is increasingly bizarre and it's starting to get noticed. Lulu discovers something scandalous about Tao on Thursday. Both Moagi and Tao lean on Lulu. Nonhle urges Sam to take action in spite of Sebe's denial. Tao is not impressed with Nonhle's latest project. Ayanda goes down the rabbit hole. Paul and Fanyana unmask the robbers on Friday. Nonhle angers Tao when she decides to ignore his orders. Ayanda's behavior is growing increasingly strange. Lulu discovers Tao's secret is even more scandalous than she thought. Jack and Figila's plan are derailed by medical emergency. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.